So the roads and stuff over here on Gator Creek and Titusville are closed. So I just launched over there by the causeway and traveled over here to fish some of the culverts over by Gator Creek. And as you can see, there's plenty of bait stuff blowing up on the surface coming out of that culvert right there. And the current is flowing today. So probably just gonna hang out here for the day, see how things go. Saw that? There's trout in there like crazy. Oh man, we got a nice fish on right here. Oh man, what do we got here? Oh, he's mad. He mad. Oh, it looks like a good red. Looks like a good red. Oh yeah. Yeah. Man, that's a nice red fish. All right. Nice 22-inch redfish. Got that pretty blue tail on him. I don't know how much you can see because I know the sun's behind me. I apologize for that, but he's pretty. All right, I'll see you later, buddy. Oh, he's ready. He looks ready. And off he goes. Bye-bye. that was cool.